Okay, students. So in previous session we had learned regarding the overview of the chapter, and the chapter is divided into two parts. That is commercial bank and the central bank. And today we are learning about the one of the easiest topic of the chapter, that is evolution of banking. Now, what is the meaning of evolution of banking? Evolution of banking means how the banking system had been started in the economy, when the country and when the different citizens of the different country had started the banking terms in the economy. So all these things regarding the banking and its evolution had been described under the particular topic. Okay, so let's start with the answer. Earlier, in English language, earlier in English language, the word heap or mass, the word heap or mass were used as a bank, were used instead of bank. So in earlier time period, they are used to uh, call heap or mass instead of the bank. In which language? English language. Okay. In Sanskrit language, people used to call bhanda instead of bank. So, in earlier in English language, people are used to call heap or mass instead of the bank. In Sanskrit language, people are used to call bhanda instead of the word bank. Okay. So next word, in Italian language, the word banca were used instead of bank. Okay, now you are getting the concept that earlier people are earlier in English language, the people are using the word heap or mass instead of the bank. Then after in Sanskrit language, people used to call bhanda instead of the bank. Then after in Italian language, people are used to call banca instead of bank. Now in French language, people used to say banco instead of bank. Okay, so just try to get the idea about the thing that people earlier they are using the word heap or mess in English language. Then after they had used the bhanda in the Sanskrit language instead of the bank. Then after in Italian language they used to call banca instead of the bank. In French language people had used banco instead of the bank. Then after European moneylenders used to exchange the, then after European moneylenders used to exchange the currencies, used to exchange the currencies of different countries on bench. Okay, just try to understand it again. यूरोपियन मनी लेंडर्स जो उस ज़माने में हुआ करते थे, उन लोगों ने क्या किया था, यूरोपियन मनी लेंडर्स ने दे आर एक्सचेंजिंग द करेंसीज ऑफ डिफरेंट कंट्रीज. डिफरेंट कंट्रीज की करेंसीज है ना, वो एक बेंच के ऊपर है ना एक्सचेंज करते रहते थे. एंड देन आफ्टर ये बेंच में से वर्ड बन गया बैंक. ओके, सो कैसे हुआ ये कि मनी लेंडर्स, अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ के मनी लेंडर्स वहाँ पे आते थे और वहाँ पे अलग अलग करेंसीज वो एक्सचेंज करते रहते थे. इंडियन करेंसीज होती थी, देन आफ्टर यूके की करेंसीज होती थी, यूएसए की, और अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ की करेंसीज वो बेंच के ऊपर वो एक्सचेंज करते थे. देन आफ्टर वो बेंच में से वो एक्सचेंज करते थे, उसमें से वर्ड बन गया बैंक. एंड दैट इज़ हाउ द वर्ड बैंक हैड बीन ओरिजिनेटेड इन द सिस्टम. एंड फर्स्ट रियल बैंक of world was started in the year 1401. कब स्टार्ट हुआ था? फर्स्ट रियल बैंक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड was started in the year 1401 and that bank was known as the bank of Barcelona, that is in the Spain. Okay, so just try to get the overview of the concept that we had learned. The name of that chapter, name of that topic is known as the evolution of banking, how the banking system had been originated in the country. Earlier in English language, the word heap or mess were used instead of the bank. Then after in Sanskrit language, the word bhanda were used instead of the bank. In Italian language, the word banca were used instead of the bank. In French language, the word banco were used instead of the bank. Then after, European moneylenders had started to exchange the currencies of different countries on a bench, and that is how the word bank had been originated in the country. First real bank, sometimes they are asking that question in one line or in the MCQ. First real bank of the world was established in which year? 1401, and that bank is commonly known as the Bank of Barcelona, which is located in which कंट्री? दैट इज इन द स्पेन. स्पेन के अंदर एक बार्सिलोना करके सिटी है और वहाँ पे सबसे पहली वर्ल्ड की ऑफिशियली बैंकिंग सिस्टम स्टार्ट हुई थी. सो होप यू क्लियर विद द कंसेप्ट. ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन. होप यू लाइक इट.